Well, there is one, the fast cut I put on. You can see that cleaned it up pretty good. You can tell the difference in that color, can't you? But like I said, the windshield will hide all that anyway. But some of it, you can see the light right there. I mean, it's halfway decent. You're starting to see a shine in it, but it's just the start. Actually, this dash here is probably the best of the turned out. But anyway, we're going to continue. I just was looking at these scuffs and stuff, and there's a seam that goes up across here. I'm going to try find a red that matches that, and with my little artistic paintbrush, I'm going to try to touch that up. Those stickers I can buy to replace if I so choose, but you're looking at $300, and I don't want to spend $300 on a set of stickers. I mean, they're not that bad a shape. They're obviously original, but this back seat is also a $300 item to get redone. It's got some cracks over here. We got some more, and then it's over here starting to separate some. I think if I was to spend $300, that's probably what I would spend it on rather than the stickers. Because they're shiny, they're coming out. I mean, this is just the first cut. So, alright, shut you off and we'll bring you back after the second cut. Okay, well, we got the smooth cut done. Really can't see a whole lot of difference. I don't think you're going to be able to get this to glisten. I mean, it's just, this is, it's not a paint, it's a gel coat. And I mean, if I wanted to, I could probably 600 everything, or, you know, and go with 1,000, 1,400 paper, and, you know, make it just shine like brand new. That's a whole lot of work. More work than I want to do for a snowmobile. So, but these stripes are really popping. That's what I like. I mean, even though they're kind of all chewed up, the colors on them are really popping. It's like, this looks good, I think. And there's a bit of discoloration here in the red. I don't know what that's from. I don't know if somebody has gotten something on that at one time or not, but anyway. Like I said, it sure be nice to have new decals on it, but not going to happen. But, yeah, we're going to go with the final wax now. It's a McGuire's. I'm going to try something different. I got a System 51 finish I'm going to put on there. That's more like a fine wax, or a fine compound and a wax put together. So we'll do that, and we'll come back.